Hi everybody, Andre here, unboxing of this microphone that I'm using, Boya BY-M1DM. Hi everybody, Andre here from my channel Entrepreneur. So this video I'm doing is actually for everybody who's keen to know, like, hey Andre, do I need a lot of professional equipment on how to start? So I think if all of you guys have been following my channel, it's a pretty new channel that I'm creating to document my journey into entrepreneurship, especially in the digital marketing space. And this is just to share with you how I would actually get started. Well, to me, I use a few different equipment, but currently I'm using an Oppo R11 or a iPhone 7, whichever that's more convenient for me. But for today, I'm using Oppo R11, and I'm gonna share with you what is pretty important in every video making, and that would be the audio. And I actually am gonna do a unboxing of this microphone that I'm using. So currently I'm not using any microphone, you can see, and we could use it as a test to see how the microphone enhances the audio. So let's get right to it. As all of you can see, this is a Boya BY-M1DM. It's a dual omnidirectional lavalier mic. What this means is that it has two microphones that can be used in interview fashion. And I'm gonna get right to opening it. As you can see, it has a PVC pouch, which is pretty nice. It comes with a warranty. I actually bought this from Indonesian distributor from Tokopedia, and also comes with the instruction manual and the warranty policy. Okay, as you all know, Boya is from the Chinese company, and they've been getting pretty good reviews for cost-efficient microphone solution. So as we remove, we notice that number one, we have a adapter for those bigger karaoke kind of sound system. And if you open this, oops, okay, I'm just gonna lay it out. So we have two noise foam. Some people call it the dead cat for the bigger systems. And then we have the microphone clip-ons for the lapel mics, for the lapel clips, and also a LR44 battery. And the microphone itself. So they come with the silica gel, just keep it somewhere safe. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to attach this to the microphone, to your phone, and how we're going to use it. Take note though, this is because I'm using a Android phone, which is an Oppo R11, and it has a 3.5mm jack. But for those who are using iPhone, which I use as well, it's a different way of doing it, which will be a separate video. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that in a separate video, but let's start with this one first. Now, initially, you want to be able to put on the clips. So just clip it on like so, right? Make sure that it's smooth, snugly fit, and put on the dead cat. Now you got to make sure that you cover it properly, because if you just put it halfway like I did it previously, it might fall off. So what it does is, in outdoor situations, this helps to reduce wind or ambient noises. Otherwise, if you're in a closed environment, it doesn't really matter too much. The good thing about the Boya system, the BY-M1DM, is that if you're using it on a smartphone, you don't really need batteries. But assuming you're using it on a laptop system, you're using it on a camera, do put in the batteries. Okay. Now, if you look at it over here, you have the positive and the negative. Just make sure that the battery, positive and negative, is put properly. And here it is. Managed to get it fixed in. And then you just cap it back. Okay, so the good thing about me is I'm using the Android, so I could just leave this as off. But for those who need to use cameras, DSLRs or laptop, just make sure you fix it to on. Alright. And now that it's done, I'm gonna fix it to my phone, and let's go for a spin of test. Okay, hi, welcome back, here you see the microphones on it. I'm doing a test right now. So basically this is how you set up the Boya lavalier mic. Hopefully this video helps you, and this is what I'm going to be using for most of my videos. So hopefully the audio is an improvement from when we first started, and I'm glad that I could share this with you guys, and hope it helps you. Well then, till the next video, catch me back again, subscribe if I've helped you. Otherwise, just check back anytime you want. Thank you. See you around.